In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily and weekly planner in Clickup. If you're looking to stay organized, streamline your tasks, and boost your productivity, creating a planner in Clickup is a fantastic way to do it. Clickup is a powerful project management tool that allows you to customize your workspace, making it perfect for organizing your daily and weekly goals. Whether you're a busy professional or simply someone who wants to keep their life on track, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Clickup workspace. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can manage all of your tasks and projects. Next, select the project where you want your planner to live. This could be any existing project you've already set up, or you can create a new one if you prefer. Simply click on the desired project to open it. Once you're in the project, look for the Add List button. You'll typically find this option in the top left area of your screen. Click on it to create a new list. This new list is where your planner will be organized. Now, rather than starting from scratch, Clickup offers pre-designed templates to make your life easier. When adding the new list, choose the option to use a template. This will allow you to quickly set up a structure without having to manually create every detail yourself. In the next step, use the search bar to locate the right template. Type weekly into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a selection of templates related to weekly planning. Scroll through the options until you find the one labeled Weekly Planner Template. Once you've found the Weekly Planner template, go ahead and select it. Now, click the Use Template button to apply it directly to the project you selected earlier. This is where the magic happens. The template will automatically populate with tasks, categories, and other structures designed to help you manage your week efficiently. Now that the template is in place, it's time to make it your own. You can edit the planner to match your preferences, rename folders to suit your needs, adjust task names to reflect your specific responsibilities, add new categories for better organization, or even customize the color scheme to make it visually appealing. Take your time here to ensure it feels personalized and functional for your workflow. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This will finalize your setup, and your daily and weekly planner will be ready to use. From here, you can start adding tasks, setting priorities, and planning your week with ease. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.